Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this tutorial today, I'm going to walk you through on how to find out system information in a computer. And specifically, I'm using Windows 11 for this teaching. One of the basic things you may like to find out whenever you come across a computer, maybe a computer you want to buy, is the system information. And this includes the RAM, the storage space, and some other informations. Okay, so in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to do that. The first step is to click on the search app pinned at the taskbar of your computer by default, and in this search space type system information. Okay, it has shown up here. Click on it. A page is opened for us, and this page shows system summary. You can see that that is the option that is selected by this tab at the left. Okay, so this displays the summary of the information about this computer I'm using right now. OS name Microsoft Windows 11 Home single language. Okay, this is the version. This is other OS description not available. OS manufacturer Microsoft Corporation, and many other. The name of the manufacturer of the PC is HP. So if you move down, processor Intel Arc Playron days. Maybe you want to find out the processor. This is where you see that. Then go down here, maybe to find other information. You can scroll down from this section. Okay, maybe you want to find out some information about the RAM. That is install physical memory RAM. This is 4.00 GB. Okay, so you move down the page to still find out some other informations you may be looking for about this particular computer. Okay, by this left there are so many other tabs like hardware resources, components, and software environment. If you want to get more on this information, click on this plus sign, okay, for you to see some drop down. Maybe our interest is on memory. Click on memory. Okay, this will give us some information about the memory of this computer. We go down, you can see a lot of them, a lot of descriptions here. All right, so a lot of things you can see here. Components, click on the drop down here. You want to find out some things about the components of this computer, you can get them from this section. All right, software environment, the same thing. So take your time and go through each of these features, and you will find out more about the computer you are making use of. For example, now under the components here, you can see storage. When you want to find out the storage of this computer, disk, select disk option. You come here, you can see a lot of this description. Disk drive, manufacturer standard disk drive. So you go down this page, size of this is 465.76 GB. All right, so a lot of information you can access under the system information page. I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. You can leave a comment if you want me to cover some other videos that have to do with computer or Windows 11 specifically. See you next time and stay good.